Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play VR on Roblox mobile. So the first step you need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. So first open settings, go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Roblox. Click on that and here you need to come into the permissions and allow camera and microphone permissions. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Roblox. So once you are in the Roblox, wait for a few seconds so that your account will be loaded. Click on more and here you need to scroll down and click on settings, and here you need to click on privacy. And once you are on the privacy tab, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Make sure that it is not available on certain device. Okay, so now it is enabled and now you need to come back and search share VR. Okay, and you can use this one and you simply need to play and then you can use that with your movement. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.